Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to sew the different type of buttons. This is wooden button. You can see this. It has two holes. We'll see how to stitch it. This is normal button with the four hole. We'll see the two technique of stitching this button. This is pearl hole button. Mostly we use it for kurti. This is velvet button with two hole. This is the button mostly we use in blazer and sherwanis. I have taken 4 thread for stitching these buttons. Tie the knot to the edge of the thread. 4th thread I have taken this. Now from back side you take the needle upside. From button second hole you have to put it down. Same way you have to repeat it again. You can see this. Now from back side you have to tie the knot. You can take one single knot or you can repeat it twice also. Now you have to cut your thread. You can check this. Now in second button there is 4 holes. So we'll take it from downward to upward from button. We have to stitch it like is equal to sign. Twice you repeat from one hole, from 1 to 2, from 3 to 4. This way you have to stitch the button. This is your is equal to sign. Now from back side you have to give one knot. If you want you can repeat it and cut the thread. This button is same as per the second button, but we will stitch it in different manner. We have to stitch it like a multiply sign. Take the cross thread from 1 to 4, 3 to 2. This way you have to repeat your threading twice in each hole. Now tie up your thread at back and give the knot and cut the thread. This is pearl button. We'll stitch pearl button. First take out the thread from the garment Then take out a thread from button and go back. Repeat this method twice and tie up the knot at back side. This is velvet button. First you take out a thread from fabric and then take it from button each hole and go downward. Same way you have to repeat it twice and check it whether it is tight or loose. And now tie up the knot back side and cut the thread. This is your blazer button, which you have to tie up twice. Take out it from fabric, then attach the button from that hole. If you feel it is loose, you can repeat it once more time and tie up the knot at back side and cut the thread. Today we have learned 6 methods of button sewing. This stitching method is so easy, you can do it at home in emergency. This is the method which we'll have to learn in stitching as a beginner. I hope you like this video. If you like this, like us, subscribe us and don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay tuned with us for next update. Thank you.